Are you pouring your heart and soul into YouTube videos, editing for hours, crafting what you feel is a masterpiece, only to upload it and watch it get 50 views? It is one of the most frustrating, soul-crushing feeling for a creator. You start questioning everything. Is my content bad? Is my camera not good enough? Do people just not like me? Let me tell you something. The problem probably isn't you or your content. The problem is that you are not sending the right signal to the YouTube algorithm. You are not speaking its language, which is all about viewers' satisfaction. My YouTube name is Learn with Lydia. Here we learn about YouTube growth tips. Being a YouTube masterclass student, I have learned that YouTube growth is not all about working yourself to the bone. It's about working smart. It's about understanding the system. So, stick with me for the next few minutes because I am going to give you a simple step-by-step using shorts, SEO, and thumbnails that will finally get your great content the attention that it deserves. This isn't theory. It is an actionable strategy that you can start using today. And this brings us to our first tactic, which is using shorts for unfair reach. This is all about getting fresh eyeballs on your channel fast using YouTube shorts. The biggest killer to small channels is obscurity, and this basically means that you are invisible. And when you are invisible, people can't subscribe to a channel they don't even know exists. And this is where you have to use the YouTube's most powerful tool of discovery, which is using the YouTube shorts. Shorts are designed to reach thousands, sometimes even millions of people who have never heard even about you. And this is how shorts works. Number one, the first second is everything. You don't need 10 to 15 seconds like for the long form videos to hook someone. You just need 1 second. A visual hook, a bold statement on screen, a question that begs for an answer to stop the scroll. Second, use trending sounds or trending audios when using shorts, because using those popular sounds is like a rocket booster to your video. How do you find them? In case you don't know how to find these popular sounds or popular audios, it's quite simple. Spend 10 minutes a day just scrolling on the short feeds. And when you hear the same sound a few times, click on the audio and see how many people are using it. Then save it. This basic habit is actually a game changer. Third, apply the basic SEOs, relevant keywords, and the hashtag shorts. Very important. Add the hashtag to your title to help YouTube find your audience. So, now you've got a few people finding you through shorts. Great and well done. We now have to solve the next problem, which is how to get them stay and watch your main long-form content. This is because long-form videos can build real fun. And this is where the second tactic comes in, which is the search engine optimization, basically SEO. YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine. Every single second, people are typing questions and problems into that search bar. Your job is to make sure your video is the top answer. First, find out what people are searching for. Just type a topic into your YouTube search bar and see what it suggests. Next, put the exact phrase at the beginning of your video title. Finally, use that keyword in the first 2 lines of your description. This helps to boost the algorithm and the viewer to know what your content is about.
Let me show it to you practically how it is done. Go to your YouTube channel. Then head over to the YouTube search bar and type any video title you are interested in. For instance, let's search for how to cook jollof rice and see what YouTube search bar will suggest. How to cook jollof rice. All these are key video titles related to how to cook jollof rice, as you can see. How to cook jollof rice Nigerian, how to cook jollof rice in Kenya, how to cook jollof rice at home, how to cook jollof rice and chicken. And it continues, how to cook jollof rice with beef. Now put the exact phrase at the beginning of your video title. In case you are wondering what the keywords here are. The keywords here are cook and jollof rice. Use the keywords in the first 2 lines of your description. Apart from this helping to boost the algorithm and the viewer to know what your video is about, it also helps your video rank higher in the search results.
You can also use tools like ChatGPT to help you optimize your video titles, your descriptions, or even come up with a thumbnail. This is how to.
Head over to ChatGPT, then here on Ask Anything, tell it what you want. For instance, I have a YouTube video about how to cook jollof rice. Help me with the best SEO title to help me rank in the search. Give me at least 3 titles. Now, I have a YouTube video about how to cook jollof rice. Help me with the best SEO title to help me rank in the search. Give me at least 3 titles, then send. Like you can see, ChatGPT has already generated the 3 SEO titles. How to cook perfect jollof rice, and below it, it goes ahead to identify the keywords for you as well. How to cook jollof rice step-by-step Nigerian recipe is the first title. Below it, it goes ahead as well to identify the keywords in that title. The second title is Best Jollof Rice Recipe for Beginners. Below it still goes ahead to give you the keywords as well. Even to the third title, Jollof Rice Recipe That Always Impresses. Below it are the keywords as well. It's upon you to choose the title among these 3, because all these titles that it has generated are keyword optimized. They are SEO friendly titles. It is the same with an optimized description and a thumbnail idea. Like you can see, ChatGPT goes ahead down here to ask you, would you like me to also suggest thumbnail idea or video description to go with them? Just come down below on Ask Anything and type yes, then send. Then just like that, ChatGPT will deliver. It's that simple.
So now your video is showing up in search results, but it will be useless if nobody clicks on it. And this is where the thumbnail's importance comes in. It is one of the most important factors to getting clicks. Watch how your competitors are designing their thumbnails and learn from them. Second, use emotional faces when designing your thumbnails, because our brains are wired to lock onto them. A human being's brain is wired to lock onto emotions. That's why you are asked to use emotional faces. A thumbnail with a clear, expressive face almost always win. Third, use only 3 to 5 powerful words. Powerful words of text to spark curiosity. And also, remember to deliver on promise of your thumbnail. You can also use ChatGPT to help you come up with thumbnail ideas, or use tools like vidIQ for great thumbnails. Here is the secret. These tactics work hand in hand. They create a growth loop. Your shorts bring in new viewers, your SEO help to find your long-term videos, your amazing thumbnails get the clicks, and high watch time tell YouTube that your video is satisfying. And so it pushes all your content to an even bigger audience. The loop repeats and your channel grows potentially. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Watch this next video and learn how to upload your videos the right way. Bye bye. See you in the next one.